Okay, we have our head here. We've got this all done here. Got it all highlighted there and sanded down. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work on the mouth to get the mouth to fit, which goes in here. So first thing we're going to do with the mouth is we're going to put a hinge on this piece. We're going to use a 1-inch hinge. And you want to center that on here. We'll punch a hole here for our screw. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. With the hinge on here, we'll be able to open and close the mouth properly. Other thing we got is we have a block that's going to go on here. And we'll put this on. And this will get screwed into the side of the head. Anyway, that's going to go in like that. And you fit the mouth in. And then this to sand that down a little bit more. But anyway, this was going to get screwed into here through the sides. So we're going to get this marked and screw our holes for the sides, and we'll come back. Thanks for watching.